Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and this is my first order direct from the American Girl website. Yeah, it's quite fun. They had a sale, and I kept looking, and I kept looking, and I kept looking, and finally Darren says, you know, you get 15% off. I had gone to the American Girl store with Dory, and she brought her Courtney, and it was the cutest thing, and then she did the video, and the video was the cutest thing. If you have not seen Dory's 1980 Courtney video, it was a few weeks ago, but it is worth going and seeing. So of course I wanted a Courtney, and I started looking at Courtney, and I thought I might buy a Courtney. And the right one came up, but before I got her, they had this stuff at American Girl on clearance, so of course I got it. And then I think this is Molly's dog, right? Yeah, Molly's dog, Bennett. This was also on sale. Let's open Bennett up. I want to see Bennett. Well, here we go, maybe.
Yeah, just be careful.
Watch my fingers.
Please.
Hands, wrists especially. Oh, I don't want to tear the box up. I don't think I cut this right. It's kind of scary for you?
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah, I might. Wait.
Wait, there's more.
I got it. I just didn't get it all the way. All right, now I think I got it. Besides, it's fun to keep people on the edge of their seats. Will she cut herself or not? Oh, he is adorable.
Las Vegas called. They want to start taking bets.
What a darling little terrier. Oh, how cute. Here she is at her birthday party with Pin the Tail on the donkey. You know, this has got a little bit of the look what you didn't get list to it. That's always fun. We're going to put this up for right now because I'm not ready for Molly. But I have Molly, and I love Molly. All right, so let's get to the doll that I thought about. Was she half price, dear?
Yeah, sounds about right. Something
Truly
like that.
Me, number 73, and I got this one over the other because she had the jacket and cuter outfit. She has a book, of which I don't read. I'm not going to lie to you. Okay, let's see here. I want to cut that. All right, there we go. Ah, isn't that nice? Now, why can't they, when I say they, I mean Mattel, do this with some of their other dolls? But I get it in stores. There is so much theft. There's so many thieves anymore. It angers me. All right, so here she is. Truly Me, number 73. Now, I just did a Bianca. Would I have liked to have used a doll? I didn't. I wanted a doll with messed up hair that I could cut that was the correct kind of hair for the doll. Right now, I'm not taking any of this off her. Not yet. So I went with an older doll for Bianca, but then I didn't cut her hair. I'll be showing that video soon, the face-up I did on that doll. That is not a very nice ear.
No, that isn't.
That is not a very nice ear at all. Well, that's a shame, and especially on someone, and if she has alopecia, she should not have eyelashes. I don't care. I like her. I like her outfit. Huh, a little loose. A little loose. All right, so in anticipation, I ordered something else. Let me get this open. Where did I get this? eBay. I got this on eBay. It came from China. And it is a wig. And this is the first time, obviously, I'm looking at it. I've been very pleased with other wigs from, like AliExpress and stuff. I'm going to lose my voice, Darren. You might have to finish this.
Oh, no.
Oh, that's kind of a, you know, it reminds me of Elsa. I know she has blonde hair, but the blue, you know, the cold and the streak and the, well, and this. Let's see how this looks on her. I may or may not like it. I've got a black wig, of which I might decide I like better. You know what? I don't think that fits so well. That should stop there and come down around her. Oh, there we go. I think it's just me. I don't know. And that head is so slippery. That is so slippery. Isn't she cute? Oh, look at that. That is adorable. I like it. I like it a lot. I'll probably have her wear it down. I will put some, what do you call it? Hot glue is what I have been using. You can tell me why I shouldn't in the comments, but my idea is that you can take it off easier if you change your mind. This is kind of weird. Is there two on this side or? Okay, that's kind of weird. Yeah, it's popping. Well, the head is very slick.
And you might not have it quite seated.
Yeah, I'm sure not. I'm sure I don't. Once I get looking at it, that's all I'm going to look at it on this video. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and know that I have another order coming.
Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and if you haven't already, subscribe.
P.S. This came in the mail. I didn't know we went ahead and got that. I'm glad we did. Oh, we get a little note. Our promise, our guarantee, our okay. Let's take a look here. This is cute little stuff. Like I said, they had this Courtney stuff on, and I knew I was going to get a Courtney, and I went ahead. Come on. I went ahead and ordered stuff for her. She should be here pretty soon. What's this?
How do it open?
Let me give this.
They all gotta be clever.
Give this to children. Oh, it's all fancy. Okay, how cute is that? That's her little headband and her scrunchie. Oh yeah, we did go ahead and get these because it was so many pairs of earrings. And I think that's for, I'm not sure. Might be a headband, might be a wristband, not sure. But how cute is that? It's got the two studs, which they could wear alone, and then mix and match the earrings. Very cute. And I put the blue wig on, and I do like it. I have not glued it down, but I do like it. I want to give you a sideways view. I haven't taken the braid out of it yet. I don't know that I will right away, but I like it. I think it's cute on her. I like her a lot. Really glad I got her. She is still on sale on the AG website. She is half price.
As of this moment.
As of right now, yeah. Who knows? They could take it down today.